Whisper Seals. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today I'm going to do an eating video. Maybe you remember these egg wraps, and today I took one out of my fridge and I just baked it. I decided to eat this one. So I hope that you guys like the eating sounds. This one is going to sound really, really crispy. And it tastes really, really good. I really like it when it tastes really crunchy. Let me take a bite of this. Just in general, I really like the taste of eggs. These aren't the wraps though of my cooking video. I made these a couple of days later and have different kind of herbs in it, different kind of vegetables. Taste really good. Personally, eating videos are not a trigger for me, but I can understand that for some of you it can be a trigger. That's the reason why I created this opportunity to do eating videos. And you people are the only ones who can see this video. It's not going to show up on YouTube. And because I think that these kind of requests are more special, in my opinion, just like sensual videos and feet videos. Some people really like feet. I just wanted to save those for you people. So I hope that you enjoy it. Cooking is, as I told you guys in my eating or in my cooking video, it's really a big hobby of mine. And I'm a big, big fan of wraps. So if you have specific eating videos that you want to request, for example, if I eat cornflakes or popcorn, anything crunchy, or anything that's, for example, soup. Do you hear me eating soup or drinking a cup of tea? Just let me know what you like. And I'll make sure that I'll do your request. So basically, you can request anything related to ASMR that other people don't want to do. Of course, I have boundaries too, but for my website and for you guys, I want to go a little bit further. So as long as you don't request like really like sexual videos or really like mouth videos that I really film in my mouth, like that's a little bit too much for me. But anything else? You're more than welcome to request. So let me start with the second half. So maybe, who knows, maybe one day I will do an eating video where you can actually see me eat something. But that's up to you guys. Tastes really, really good. So basically what I did was I took the wraps out of the freezer, left them outside of the freezer for half an hour, and after that I just baked them in olive oil in a pan. And then you get a delicious, warm and crispy wrap with a soft egg on the inside. And I also noticed that egg wraps really fill you up. You really have a full feeling after that. Well, at least I do. As long as you don't eat them too often, because too many eggs are not good for you. Last bite. So I hope that you enjoyed this eating video. Please let me know what you think. And I'm always open for new ideas and new requests.